Friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and today we are going to be reviewing the Timekettle M2 Translator earbuds. We're going to talk about the features and why these are super cool, especially if you're going to a foreign country or if you're learning a language or watching a lecture, YouTube video in another language. It gives you some sweet translation options rather than just having a translator app. These are earbuds with an associated app. And just like all my videos, guys, in the description box right below the video, right below it right here, is going to be this exact same link where you guys can read more about them. Pick them up yourself after the video is done. If they sell it in the UK, I will have you guys linked as well right in the description box. So you guys in the UK, look for your links as well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what's in the box. Let's show you the app and show you the features. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. First and foremost, out of the box, you're gonna have your warranty card, your tips for pairing the Bluetooth, your instruction manual, a USB Type-C charger, a very short one, probably about a foot, and then your Timekettle M2 earbuds here. This is actually a really cool case. This is magnetic, so it comes together just like this here, but then also it attaches to the side like this here. Kind of a cool little feature. Okay, so they're designed just like your Apple AirPods here. They look like them on the tips here, and then with longer down bars, as you can see right here. There is a LED indicator light there as you are paired. This one is red, meaning it's not paired. This one is blinking green, meaning it is paired. And they're magnetic, so you just flop it back in there as we just saw. Now they are charging. Let's go ahead and take them both out here. And now they're both blinking green, as you can see there. Just subtle blinks every once in a while, like we just saw. So again, what's cool, magnetic, just like you're used to with Apple AirPods. They flop back in, charge them, close the case, and you do have LED lights right here as well on the top. Really cool. USB Type-C charging on the side of the box right here. Other than that, nothing. We're gonna show you the awesome features, but I wanna let you know that they do offer other models as well. And what these ones, unfortunately for my ear, that's why I never bought the Apple AirPods, is because this type of shape is really hard to fit in my ear. So I can't do any sort of exercise with these. They'll just kind of flop out. I need the silicone tips myself. So let me show you here, left and right. They're labeled, obviously. So if I'm just sitting here like this, they're fine. But if I start really wiggling my head around, this one has already kind of drooped down a little bit. Now they're staying in, yes, right now. But again, if I'm running, if I'm lifting in the gym, you don't buy these for earphones. You buy them because they're translating earphones. They sound okay. Nothing absolutely crazy, but they sound really good for what they're supposed to be used for. Now, the biggest con, again, for me, because I've used them, is going to be the fit, personally. You could really love the fit like this. I'll leave that up to you, but if you have ears that need the silicone, you might want to look at their other models. So what we're going to do here is we're going to fire up the app and we're going to get some screen capture going here. So on the screen here, we see WT2. Those ones have little silicone tips. I would recommend those. The WT2 Plus, these again are the M2. They also have the WT2 Edge W3s. Again, these are the M2s. Let's go ahead and click on the M2s. And a tip for you guys here, the easiest thing that I've figured out how to do is before you fire up the app, go ahead and put them in your ear. Now we're gonna go ahead and fire up the app here. They're gonna both chime in your ear and they're gonna chime again. And I look down and they're already paired. I just found this more useful for quick pairing. Okay, we're gonna hit confirm. So let's go ahead and start with touch mode here. Touch mode, where one person touches the earbuds. So you give one of the earbuds to someone and whatever languages you choose in the app. Now I have it set to Brazilian Portuguese and English. That's the only language that I'm not fantastic in, but I know basics in Brazilian Portuguese. It's slightly different than Portugal's Portuguese. Okay, so let's just go ahead and show you these features really quickly here. So right down here at the bottom, you click, the left one is going to be associated with Portuguese, the right one with English. And if you do want to switch this around, you tap the one up there, the little top, and you go ahead and flip-flop them like that there. Now the right one's Portuguese, the left one's English, vice versa. And there's a ton of languages. I won't go into them all. Look at the link and you're going to see every single language there. There's a ton of languages, all the major ones, and then quite a bit of, I wouldn't say non-major ones, but not as popular like French, etc. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and confirm that once again. Really cool feature here. So the left one is Brazilian Portuguese. So this is where, for my earlobes, I just have to tap on it just right. So sometimes I like to put it in a little bit more there. I'm going to tap on it. Oi, como vai? Eu muito bom. E você?
How are I? Very good, and you?
Now it spoke in my right ear English, and it goes right here. Well, let me pause that real quick. And then it goes on their screen, like if we were right across the table from each other. Now, it got a little bit wish-wash there, as you saw, because I didn't pause it while I'm talking on the camera right here. So let's go ahead and now tap. Now let's go ahead and resume. I'm going to tap English, and it's going to translate it into Portuguese in my left ear and visually that they can see it as well. I'm doing really good. I mean, I'm talking really good. Hey, are you going to go to the gym today? I'm looking really buff and I need to go to the gym.
Estou indo muito bem. Quero dizer, estou falando muito bem. Ei, você vai para a academia hoje? Eu estou olhando realmente lustre e eu preciso ir ao ginásio.
Now again, I'm not fluent in Portuguese, but my testing with the basics, the translation is really good. It might pick up a few like random slang things, especially, you know, in English we use a lot of slang terms. So that might come out as an off just a little bit, but for the basics, the translation is actually really good. So I really like this feature. You can hear it, you can tap it, they can share one, you can visually see it as well. And that again is touch mode. Now let's go back to listen mode. This is where it gets really juicy. So you place your cell phone near a teacher, near your speaker, you're listening to a lecture, you're listening to a YouTube video. I actually did this. I don't want to get a copyright strike, but there is a woman who is interviewing in Portuguese with another American who speaks Portuguese, and I put my phone by my computer speaker. Now there is a little kick to this where you literally have to pause the video after like a long sentence so it can catch up and then it will speak. If you don't pause it and just let the video run, then it's going to translate it on your mobile device's screen only, but you're not going to hear it until it has time to kind of catch up. At least my initial testing. It all depends on, I guess, your internet and your quickness, etc. There is offline translations as well, but that's just my testing. So that again is a really cool feature for these devices as well. And what I like about this is you can be in another country and you could have your phone on the dinner table and you could find out if the waiter or waitress is talking bad about you or anything for that matter. If you're in a business meeting and all of a sudden they start talking in another language and you're like, hey, you know what I'm saying? There's something fishy going on here or something like that. So you have this on the table and then all of a sudden whatever they're saying is translated in your ear. That's pretty cool. If you're a student in a foreign country, or if you just want to learn quicker, find out what the kids, go to a restaurant in another country, lay your phone down, hear what other people are saying. Obviously that's kind of eavesdropping, so you want to be careful, but you're just eavesdropping and getting some lingo in there and figuring out languages. So that again is listen, which is a really cool feature. And then as we see on the screen, it'll show up right there just like in touch mode. Okay, now speaker mode. This is going to be the same thing like a normal translation app where someone speaks, etc. So let's just show this to you real quickly here. So I'm going to click on this one, speak Portuguese, and then it's going to translate in English up above. But it'll be flipped around because it's kind of like table where it's like that person speaks this language, this person speaks this language. So anyway. Oi, como vai? Eu vou à academia agora, mas amanhã eu vou à igreja, depois ao hotel. Eu muito cansada agora. E você?
Hi, how are you? I am going here for me to go now. But tomorrow I am going to church later. Hotel is very tired now, and you?
Now again, I'm not the best at speaking Portuguese. That translation, did I say? I forgot if I said, oh here, let me pause real quick. I forgot if I said the gym. I thought I said the gym.
By Donata versus Fish in Portuguese adaptation brings 100.
Ignore that. Hi, how are you? I'm doing good. I'm going to go, but tomorrow I'm going to church, later to the hotel. I'm very tired. Actually, that was very good. I don't think I said academia. Academia is gym. So that actually picked it up really well. So that's going to be speaker mode. And then chat right here, you can do group chats like messages, etc. Overall, my initial thoughts and assessment on it are very cool features. It's very quick in the ears. and it pumps me up to continue to learn Portuguese. I was going to a MMA gym where most of the professors, we call them professors, but coaches, are all from Brazil. And so I was able to continue my language learning there at the gym. Not to mention, with a device like this, it might motivate you to continue to learn or learn another language. It's so fascinating. I want to start picking up basics in other languages, French and Italian as well. And you don't have to be fluent. I can go to Brazil and I could totally get by, and I probably speak equivalent to like a 3-year-old, but I could totally get by. I could check into a hotel. I could buy food at a restaurant, grocery store. I know how much money I'm spending, how much is it, etc. So if a device like this enables you with your language education, I think it's highly worth it for sure. Obviously, the biggest con I've already mentioned is they just don't fit in my ears as well. But for just being at a desk, maybe walking on my stand-up treadmill desk, they're gonna be fine. I might look into a third party on Amazon, a silicone tip I can put over them. I'm pretty sure a third party sells those, especially after Apple AirPods have been so popular as well. Anything I did not cover in the video will be in that link again below. I think they're really cool. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and they intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel in the YouTube algorithm. If you like videos like this and DIY house remodeling videos, this channel has everything. So hit that subscribe button on your way out as well. Again, pretty cool device. Your links are below. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next video. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.